Hi, Dr. Heather here from Wellspring Chiropractic Lifestyle Center. Today I want to share with you what I think is the most important factor when it comes to resolving digestive issues, and that is nutritional supplements. Now, there's a lot of crap out there. I'm sure you would agree with me, and people get very confused about what should I take and what's good and what's bad. And so we like to do a very thorough analysis, but let's just start with this. If you've made changes in your diet and that's not getting you the results that you need, then it's time to go further upstream and look at some tissue-specific nutrients. So what we like to do in our office is just take a look at what are some of the factors that are coming into play where there may be organs that need rebuilding. Maybe there are toxins and deficiencies that need to be addressed. And so we want to look at what are the tissue-specific nutrients, for example, that are going to be needed to rebuild the lining of the gut, the lining of the stomach, or the esophagus. What it needs to be in place to address and support the digestive organs that provide digestive enzymes like the pancreas, the liver, the gallbladder. Or what do we need to do to get the tone and the lining of the large intestine and the small intestine up to speed? So tissue-specific nutrients can go a long way at getting the results that we want. Now, sometimes we have to go even further upstream than that, and we have to look at whether or not there are genetic variants that are at play, genetic variants that have been upregulated and are causing vulnerabilities and malfunction in the digestive system. We do find that people often talk about certain digestive concerns running in families. And so by looking closely at what genetic variants may be upregulated and expressing, we also know that there are tissue-specific nutrients, very specific nutritional supplements that can reconcile each of the different variants. And so we can do an analysis to see what are the ones that are going to be useful for this individual. So it is so rewarding when we can actually see people getting the solutions that they want when they've tried, when they've said that they've tried everything else. And I do find that supplements are a key role in either healing and sealing the gut, weeding, seeding, and feeding the gut, or overall just getting that robust level of function in the digestive system that we all want. I hope that you found this useful. If you did, please share it with friends and family.